Car corner pace vehicle's got him in a pace. Going to turn number 3. Here we go. Sixer Mania heat number 2. And we are racing. What a roar. Lounsbury to the lead in 28. They're battling for third. They were 3 deep. 32 at Tyler into third. Bradley Lounsbury up front. Getting chased around by the 61. James Admondrude trying to chase your leader, Bradley Lounsbury. Justin Tyler third. Fourth, the 21X car, Jonathan Wirebaugh. Mike Shipman in 725 and fifth. And we lost somebody. We're down to 5. 5 to go. Oh, gonna have a battle for the lead coming up. Admondrude trying to catch Lounsbury. Top 2 getting away. Be halfway home this time by for Bradley Lounsbury in car number 28. Admondrude's got the Pontiac going for the lead in 61. Getting right there. Sizing him up. Brake lights are glowing. Tyler in third, free and clear. Look at him go. Top 2 real close. Getting close to a decision. The lap board is frozen. Trust me, we've ran more than 3 laps. I know that. There we go. Oh, Admondrude in turn 3 with trouble. White flag next time by for Bradley Lounsbury. I thought I was right. Oh, up near the wall goes 61. A close encounter. White flag coming this time by. Going to be 1 lap to go for Bradley Lounsbury at car number 28. They may lap Mike Shipman in the 725. Checkered flag coming. Heat number 2 to Bradley Lounsbury. Mike Shipman's going to end up 5th in the 725. Coming across in 4th, Jonathan Wirebaugh in 21X. 3rd spot, 32, Justin Tyler. Top 2 having a nice little flyby in the backstretch. Runner-up spot goes to 61, James Admondrude. And your winner of heat number 2 for the original 6 or 6-cylinder cars is car number 28. Racing out of Beloit, how about it for Bradley Lounsbury? One more 6er heat for your viewing pleasure coming up. And I believe we move into the Dash Series Last Chance, and then it's feature time here on Short Track Saturday night.